everyone! So for the last episode, we talked all about why you get the dry feeling on your skin when you have dehydrated skin. So thank you guys for always giving a warm welcome to our teen guests and for liking our tips. So far, we've been talking a lot about our skincare and our hair care, but do you guys take care of your eyelashes as well? Our eyelashes fall out and regrow really often, so it's really important to take care of our eyelashes, just as we do with our skin. Just because you guys don't care for your lashes doesn't mean you guys don't have any concerns about them. We ran a survey and asked you guys what concerned you guys the most about your eyelashes, and it seemed that you guys had multiple concerns about your lashes. So with our teen guest today, let's solve all of your eyelash problems.
Hi, I'm Youngjae, 17 years old. I lived 6 years abroad and now I'm living in Korea. I usually use mascara but not really eyelash curler. Not really, but when I put on mascara at night when erasing it, I use some effort to really clean it and make sure that there's no remaining on it. Yes, I have, because my eyelashes are short and they're very straight, so it's very hard to have curl on it. I want to make my eyelashes longer, but is it possible?
So you guys made a lot of comments about why do eyelashes fall out so often? But before we get started about that, let's first find out a little bit more about eyelashes. So our eyelashes have a cycle of growth, transition, and resting phase, and this phase differs from person to person. How your eyelashes will grow will be decided during the growth phase as the roots are formed and start to grow during this time. This will be followed by the transition phase where our eyelashes stop growing, and then it goes to the resting phase where our eyelashes fall out so that it could go back to the growth phase again, unlike our hairs which just keep growing. All of us have been given a certain length and thickness of eyelashes, but if we don't take care of our eyelashes, then our eyelashes could actually get thinner at the ends and fall out before the resting phase, making our eyelashes shorter and thinner. So, if your eyelashes fall out too often, you might want to change up some of your bad habits. Bad habit number 1, rubbing your eyes. If you tend to rub your eyes often, not only can this give you wrinkles, this is a habit that I have as well, but it could also weaken the roots of your eyelashes and make your eyelashes easier to fall out. Bad habit number 2, wrong use of eyelash curler and mascara. The biggest reason why you lose your eyelash before it regrows out is because you use your eyelash curler way too often. When you overuse your eyelash curler, it weakens the roots of your eyelashes and it cuts the ends of it. From our survey, 21% of you guys said you guys were concerned about your eyelashes being straight and unlifted. Now, a lot of you guys said you guys use mascara and eyelash curler to fix this problem. But you guys shouldn't be using it if you don't know how to use it properly. After using eyelash curler, make sure to clean it and also change out the rubber at least once in 3 months. Also, make sure to apply mascara after you curl your lashes because the stickiness of the mascara can make your roots get plucked out from the eyelash curler. Ouch. Try using your mascara within the 3 to 6 months time period and throw it out and get a new one. Bad habit number 3. Not removing your makeup properly. If you're wearing mascara, eyeshadow, eyeliner, any sort of eye makeup, then make sure to use a eye makeup remover in order to remove without irritation. Number 1, soak the cotton pad with eye makeup remover. Number 2, put it on your eyes and press it for 5 seconds. Number 3, gently rub it so that it can get to the eyelash too. Number 4, clean out the rest with the cotton swab using the remover as well. Other than just changing up your bad habits, I'm going to give you guys some tips to take care of your eyelashes easily at home. At home eyelash care number 1. Stimulating the blood circulation around your eyes will make your roots stronger. And steaming the area around your eyes is one of the most easiest and effective ways. Number 1. Heat up a wet towel in a microwave. Enough to warm the area around your eyes, but not too hot. Number 2. Put it on your eyes and rest. At-home eyelash care 2. Moisturizing. Moisturizing your eyes will make your eyelash roots healthier. The nutrients from the cream will also get delivered to the roots. It'll also help even more if you massage afterwards. Number 1. Put little bit of the cream around your eyes. Number 2. Gently dab it and so that your skin can absorb. Number 3. After it's absorbed, massage your eyes. Press lightly for 3 seconds. At-home eyelash care number 3. Eyelash conditioner / serum. Will eyelash conditioner and serum make your eyelashes long and rich? The answer is yes and no. Key ingredients such as vitamin and amino acids will coat the eyelashes and prevent them from falling out. However, this doesn't make your eyelashes grow longer. It just prevents them from falling out, making it look that way. Applying conditioner and serum throughout the growth phase will help your eyelashes look longer, but not everyone can afford that. So there is an alternative way. We recommend using Vaseline and olive oil with a mascara wand. Number 1. Clean the mascara brush perfectly. Paper towels are easier to get rid of leftover mascara than tissues. Number 2. Dip the brush in warm water for 3 minutes. If there's still some leftover residue, then dip it in rubbing alcohol. Number 3. Dry the cleaned brush perfectly. Number 4. Now apply either Vaseline or olive oil on the brush. If you're using Vaseline, warm up the Vaseline in your fingers as this will melt the Vaseline. Number 5. Apply it on your eyelashes as you would apply mascara. Don't apply too much or it can get in your eyes. At-home eyelash care number 4. Brush your eyelashes. Lucy Leslie says, my eyelashes can't agree on one direction. Some are lifted and some are not. Lucy, you need to brush your eyelashes just like you need to brush your hair. Brushing them out like brushing out tangles will help them grow out evenly. Lucy's concern can be solved to some point by just brushing her eyelashes. You can use the clean mascara wand that we mentioned in the previous step. Don't forget to remove all the eye makeup including mascara to prevent your eyelashes from falling out when you're brushing them. At-home eyelash care number 5. Taking enough nutrients. So eyelashes are your hairs as well, right? Eating the food that is good for hair growth will also help your eyelash grow. To have healthy hair, taking enough keratins and proteins that are essential for hair growth is a must. Most of all, don't forget to take in balanced nutrients and have a healthy diet. Now guys, I know a lot of people get eyelash perms and eyelash extensions these days, and I do know about the immediate dramatic effects this gives you, but I really recommend you don't do this because this really irritates the base and the roots of your eyelashes. So always remember, the best way to have long, luscious lashes is to prevent them from falling out prematurely.
I think using the Vaseline is really useful for me because I also have Vaseline at home, so it's very easy to put it on if you have just a brush. For skincare, I really want to find cosmetic or makeup way that really suits on my face, but I think it's really difficult. I bought a curling iron and it's really hard to use, so I want some tips for it. Today it was so funny here and I really enjoyed this filming, and I earned so many beauty tips that's used for my eyelashes, so I hope you guys also enjoy. Bye!
So thank you guys for watching another episode of Teen Beauty Bible. Today we talked all about our eyelashes, and I hope you guys enjoyed the tips that I have given you. Take care of your lashes, and if you guys have any other further questions, then leave them down in the comments below. Subscribe, hit the bell button, and if you guys want to know more tips, then go to our podcast and listen to our episodes. Also, any other beauty tips you can find on our channel just by looking it up. Remember, I'll be here in the next episode as well. Bye guys. 안녕.